Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this get min and pop problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So this is an easy problem where what we have to do, we are given an array of size n and we have to push all the element in our array like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given to us. Then we have to push back one by one element in our stack. We will take a stack of size 5 of size 5. So first element is 1. Now second element is 2. Third element is third. Fourth element is 4. Okay. And we have to pop out one by one element. So we have to print 5 element now. But what is the condition of printing 5 element? Now we have 5 at row. So when we are pop out 5, we have to print the minimum element of the stack. What is the minimum element? 1. So here 1 will print. Okay, we are pop out 5 because stack is first in, first out. Means first enter at the earliest, but it will remove at the last. Okay, number one will be the first one to enter in the stack, but it will be the last one to come out. Okay, so now we will pop out 4. Now what is the minimum is still 1, so we will print 1. Similarly for 3, 2, we have minimum 1 1, then we take 1 1 and our stack is empty. We have print the minimum. So or you can say we have to print out the minimum number on the left side. Okay, now what we can do it, this is a stack problem. Now what can we do it to take on the minimum number? Now you are thinking like we have to run a o n square loop to check out all element of stack which number we have to print, but not, it is not like that. What can we do? We can initially pop this one in our stack. Okay, we push out. Now we take a variable curmin, means the minimum element in our array till ith index. We have to print out the minimum number in left side. So minimum number of array 1 of array size 1 is 1. Now what is the minimum number of this array? Minimum of this and minimum of this and minimum of both. So what is the minimum of 1 and 2? Curvin is 1. Now minimum of suppose I will change the array. I am changing the array, just a minute. Suppose the array is something like, then it will more clear to you. 4 3 2 1. Okay, suppose the array is something like, then what we are doing. Okay, this is a fresh example, you will understand. Just a minute problem now. You will take 4, push back 4, current min is equal to 4, means the first minimum element is 4. Now what is the minimum of 4 and 2? The minimum till here and number this, the minimum of both the number will gives me the minimum of this range. Now what is the minimum of 4 and 2? 2, it will become 2. So we will push back 2. It means the minimum of ith 0 to ith index is 2. Now next number is 3. Now what is the minimum of, how we will go to the minimum of this much range? We already have the minimum of 4 and 2, that is 2. Now for getting the minimum of this range, what we will do, minimum of this and minimum of this, minimum of complete range. Okay, minimum of this is 2, so we will take minimum of this range or this. So the minimum of 2 and 3 is 2, so we will push back 3. Now here element is 3, but because we have to print out 3, means we have a number 2 that is minimum from ith index to 0, ith index to 0. Now we are at 1. Now minimum of 1 and 2 is 1, means 2 is the minimum number is in this range. Now we have more minimum number, so minimum number of this range update to 1. Okay, this is what I want to say. So number is 1, here we will say 1. Now for 5, minimum number in this range is 1, minimum number in this range is 5, so minimum number of 5 and 1 is 1. So this range have a minimum number 1. This is 1 and this is 1 and this is 1. Now what we have to do, we just have to pop out element. We just have to pop out element 1, then 1, then we just doing on like on in pop out and on till traversing the stack. Now this is the sorry, not n, 4. So you can see minimum number, first number minimum is 4, second number minimum of this range 2, minimum of this range 3, minimum of this range 5, minimum of this range is 5. Okay, so this is the code. I am taken here we have I have to push given a array and length, taken a stack, initial pushback first number, current is equal to first number, current. I take a variable current means current minimum element. I name it as current. For 1 to less than n, current will become minimum of current means initially minimum number or ARR I. If ARR I is the minimum, then it will become minimum in the range. Then I will push back it in my stack and return my stack. Now when I have to pop out and print till my empty is equal to false means empty is equal to false means I have some element in my stack and my stack is not empty. Stack is not empty, so when I am calling s dot empty, I have some element, it will return false means stack is not empty yet, so it will return false. So till it is false, is equal to top element, and I will remove this element and print top element, that is s dot car s dot top. So this is how I am doing it. Oh, here is some problem. Okay, yes, it is working because before 10:50 it is not working, but now you can see all the 50 test cases pass out, and time taken is just minimal. On time square, on time complexity. So I hope you will understand the problem. If you have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this, guys. Stay tuned.